What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Cart Smart TV again. And it's about that time of year. If your temperatures are like ours here in Virginia, they're starting to pick up a little bit. Like today, we're going to be, touching about 78 degrees. Perfect day to go out and get your golf cart out and do some things around the yard. But when you go to get it out, it doesn't do anything at all. Cut the key switch on, you get nothing from the pedal. There's nothing. Well, if it's electric, you more than likely have battery issues because it is sat for so long without being used, charged, discharged, recharged, discharged, recharged. Because that's how golf cart batteries like to do things. They like to be charged and kept charged if you're not using the golf cart. If you have an electric golf cart, you should own one of these. You can get one of these fairly cheap. You do not have to buy an expensive one because you're not essentially training to be an electrician. You just need it to make sure that you're keeping up with the health of your golf cart. So I'm going to hook this to the positive of the main battery pack, which is in the ezgo world. They're always going to be on the passenger side of the golf cart. To your main positive, which you see I have my probe attached there, and so I'm going to take my probe and hit it here. Alright, so our whole battery pack is reading 50.7. Alright guys, so we are now going to do our load test on this battery pack, and as I stated, you're just going to put your main battery, your main positive, you're going to put your red lead to that, and you're going to take your black lead to the main negative. And at that point, we're going to be reading that. And so then you're just going to give it some beans and see how far it drops. Alright, so that was one good one. Had a little short run there. Now we're going to test this thing again. I always do it 2 or 3 times just to be certain that I'm getting the same consistent number there every time. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so there we go. Got our battery voltage. Let's give it some beans. And as you can see there, that was pretty consistent in the numbers. Alright guys, so as you can see, we dropped just about a whole battery when we did the load test. And you see where it said 50 volts there when I wasn't moving? So that's your surface charge. Don't let that fool you, because they will slowly gain more voltage as they sit there, just the way those batteries are designed and how they operate. So you really need to make sure that you're load testing these batteries, which is basically getting that meter, putting it on the battery pack like you've seen me do, and taking off and watching how far that number drops. That's going to be the true telltale there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment on our videos if you got something to ask us. We'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions you have. Give us a call. Our phone number is on the channel there somewhere. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. We just hit 5,000. Thank you all so much for that. Let's keep it going. And just do not forget, when you go to get in your golf cart, starting in the spring, it may not work, and this may be your problem. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all.